Hi friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today I want to discuss with you that whether is it necessary for the Bitcoin to drop after every halving like we have witnessed before, and I would like to show you the different bullish and bearish scenarios and the patterns that has been formed by the Bitcoin price action and the harmonic patterns as well. So let's start the video. First of all, I would like to show you these two pre and post halving drops that the Bitcoin faced back in 2016 and 2012. And first we'll watch this situation back in 2012, and we can see that pre-Bitcoin halving, the Bitcoin faced a drop up to 25%, and after that the Bitcoin did not face any drop after the halving. And here we have witnessed that the Bitcoin faced the drop that was started pre-halving and that was continued up to post halving, and after that we have witnessed a very strong bullish movement, the long-term bullish movement in both scenarios. Now let's move to this situation, the current situation of the BTC in 2020. Now we can see that at this time we have already witnessed a very strong bearish drop back in Feb to March 2020, but most of the traders are thinking that this drop was due to some pandemic issue. Therefore, this drop doesn't have any connection with the pre or post halving drop. Therefore, we can consider or expect another drop after the Bitcoin halving. So if this drop is due to the Bitcoin halving, then we can expect that this drop has been started from here. For example, if we watch the drop of the 2016, that was started before the Bitcoin halving, that was started from here, from this candlestick or maybe this candlestick, and that will continue up to this candlestick of 2nd August 2016. So if we are expecting another drop like we had back in 2016, then we can expect that this drop has been started from here. So this drop is the continuation of this drop that was started here on 8th of May, like it was started back in 2016 before the halving, and it was the continuation of this drop. Now, if we watch back in the 2012, and we also have to observe the movement of the EMAs, the EMA 21 and EMA. This red one is the EMA 21, this blue one is the EMA 10. Then we can see that this exponential moving, the EMA 10 moved down to form the death cross with the EMA 21, but did not form any death cross. Even though both moving averages went very close to each other, but we can see that after that the price action crossed up the both moving averages, and the both moving averages moved up, and we have witnessed a very long-term bullish rally at that time for next 1 year that produced more than 10,000% huge profit after this Bitcoin halving. Now, if we watch back in 2016, then we can see that after the halving, before the drop of the halving, we did not face any death cross between these two EMAs. But after the halving, we faced the death cross between these two EMAs. The EMA 10 crossed down the EMA 21, and after that, the price action dropped more than 40%. And again, the EMA 10 crossed up the EMA 21 and formed a bullish cross or golden cross, and after that we have witnessed a very long-term bullish rally that was up to 3,000%, and that was continued for more than 1.5 years or 1.5 years. So this time, if we watch the movement of EMA 10 and EMA 21, then before the halving, when the drop was started like we had here in 2016, the EMA 21 and EMA 10 did not form the death cross. Even the candlesticks did not cross down the both EMAs. Now, we can see that this candlestick has been opened below the EMA 21, even though it is not confirmed so far that the candlestick has broken down these two EMAs. For example, if we watch back here, the candlestick of 30th March, then we can see that the candlestick was opened below the EMA 10. I'm just placing the cursor here, then you can see the closing price here, all right? I'm just placing the cursor here. Then you can see that the closing price of the EMA 10 was 61.93, even though the EMA 10 the candlestick closing price of the candlestick was 61.93, and the EMA 10 was at 62 98. So this candlestick was opened below this EMA 10, but after that we have witnessed a spike, and the candlesticks crossed up again, the EMA 10 and the EMA 21 as well, and we received another bull cross by these two EMAs. And therefore, this can happen here. For example, if the candlestick has been opened below the EMA 10, and we can, before the day ending, if we will witness or see any spike that will cross up or that will touch the EMA 10 again, then the next candlestick again can move up or cross up the both EMAs. In that situation, we will not consider it as the EMAs, as the price action has crossed down or broken down these two EMAs. And we can also see that so far, the EMA 10 and EMA 21 did not form any death cross. Even though the price, both EMAs are very close to each other, they can form the death cross. However, it can be the move like we have faced here. Like we can see that the both EMAs went very close to each other, but people would be thinking at that time that we are gonna receive a death cross between these two EMAs. But we can see that the price, even after touching, the both EMAs were touching each other, the EMAs moved up, and we have witnessed a very strong bullish rally. So that can be happened again. However, unless we will not receive a clear death cross, we cannot say anything before that situation. Now let's move to the next chart, and we can see that this is the same daily chart. And on this chart, we can see that the RSI is in downtrend. As in my previous videos, we have discussed that if the RSI is showing a clear downward move with the downtrend, then whether the price action is moving up or sideways, the price action, most of the times the price action follow the movement of the RSI and take a big drop, or it can drop at any time. And let's talk about some bullish scenario, and we can see here that the price action formed an up channel on this daily chart, and at this time the price action is hitting at the support of this up channel. So there are strong chances at this time that the price action will move up to again break out the resistance of this channel, but so far we can see that the price action is moving at the support of this channel. If this support will be broken down, then we can see a further downward, strong bearish move. And if I will show you this pattern, we can see that a bullish pattern has been formed by the price action of the Bitcoin. On the same daily chart, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touches at the resistance of the this pattern, and 1, 2, 3, 4 touches at the support of this bullish pattern. And we can see that the price action has already hit at the support of this bullish pattern, and now it is moving up, or we can see that a very weak candlestick is appeared at this time at the support of this pattern. Therefore, we can expect that the price action, maybe it will move up again to hit at the resistance of this pattern. If I will place this measurement tool from this candlestick up to the end of this pattern, then we can see that the price action can move up to 17 days within this pattern from the support up to the resistance, and then up to the support. However, this is not necessary that the price action will move up to the end of the pattern. It can break out or break down this bullish pattern at any time. So at this time, we can see that if the price action is at the support of the pattern, this is the Fibonacci candlestick setup. If I'll convert it to this setup, the simple candlestick setup, then we can see that after hitting at the support of this pattern, a green bullish candlestick was appeared, and at this time we can see that a weak bullish candlestick is also appeared. So there is possibility that the price action will move up from here up to the resistance of this pattern, and that is up to $9,700. Now on the same daily chart, we can see that the price action is forming a bullish bad pattern. This is the initial leg, and after initial leg, the A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci. That is the first confirmation of the bullish bad pattern. Then B to C leg is retraced or projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection. and now we can see that the final leg is being formed at this time. We need some little bit more drop to complete this bad pattern, and that is up to between $8,500 to $8,318 because we need the retracement from 0.786 to 0.886 Fibonacci. But for example, if the price action will be moved up to this level, then I'm expecting that will be only a spike and this pennant will be not broken down. And maybe the price action will spike up to this level, up to $8,500 to $83, and after that it will be retraced back into this pennant. However, if the support of this pennant will be broken down, then the price action can also break down this PRZ or potential reversal zone of this bullish bad pattern, and it can go for the formation of bullish crab pattern that can be from 1.27 and from this level almost at $7,600 up to 1.618 Fibonacci sequence that can be up to $6,900 from $7,600 up to $6,967. So we need to keep an eye on the support of the of this up channel and also the support of this bullish pennant on this daily chart. If these supports will be broken down, then the price action can move down further between $7,600 up to $6,700 to complete the bullish crab pattern, and that is a very strong harmonic move. Now I would like to recall this bullish garlic pattern that has been formed on the monthly chart by the price action of Bitcoin, and I just posted this chart and shared with you guys in my so many previous videos and articles as well. And when it was entered in this potential reversal zone, then as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish garlic pattern, I just predicted that the price action will move up to enter in this Fibonacci projection from 0.382 to 0.786 of A to D leg, and we can see that the price action produced more than 40% or 45% profit and entered at this level. But however, I'm expecting that the price action or the candlesticks will be start a sequence of the bullish move, a long-term bullish move that can lead the price action of Bitcoin to hit up to 1,000% up to 3,000%. That is from $100,000 up to $300,000. I'm expecting within next 2 to 3 years, as we have already witnessed after the previous halvings of the Bitcoin. So this was the update so far. If you like the video, guys, then do hit the like, do subscribe my channel, do share my videos as well, and do share your comments with me as well. Take care. Goodbye.